Good day, children. Welcome to Den of Knowledge, Basic 3 Agricultural Science. I remain your teacher, Obike Mata. And our topic today is energy giving food. Energy giving food. Before we continue, what is food? What is food? Food is any substance that we eat or drink to maintain life and growth. Food is any substance that we eat or drink to maintain life and growth. Food that gives us energy can be grouped into two. Food, and those food is called energy giving food. Energy giving food provides us with energy. They are grouped into two. They can be obtained in two forms. We have the tuber and we have the grain. The grains. We have the tuber crops and we have the grains. Examples of tuber crops are yam, cocoyam, cassava, and potato. All these are tuber crops. They are energy-giving food. As you can see on the board, yam is energy-giving food. You can fry your yam. You can also boil it. You can fry your yam. You can boil it. You can also roast your yam. It's not only frying and boiling. You can also roast your yam. Grains that we eat to get energy include maize, millets, guinea corn, and rice. All these provide us with energy. Millet provides us with energy. We have guinea corn. We have rice. Maize can be cooked. It can also be roasted. You can cook your maize. You can also roast it. Maize grains can be used to make pap. Yes, children like drinking pap. Some, not all. You can make your pap using maize grains. How can one make pap using maize grains? By soaking it. You soak the maize grains. You soak it inside the water for 3 days. You soak it inside the water for 3 days. After soaking the maize grains, you do what? You ground the soaked grain. You grind it. Then you now do what? Sieve it to get your pap. Rice is a common energy giving food. Why is it common? Children like eating rice. Even adults too. Rice is common. Rice gives us energy. We started by defining food. We said that food is any substance that we eat or drink to maintain life and growth. We also said that energy-giving food is the food that provides us with energy. And they can be obtained in two ways. We have the tuber and we have the grains. We also gave examples of the tuber crops. Tuber crops that supply us with energy. We have our yam. We have our cocoyam. We have our potato. And we have our cassava. Then from there, look at the grains. We gave examples of foods that supplies us with energy. We have rice, we have millet, we have maize. And we said that you can get your pap from maize by soaking the maize. You soak the maize for 3 days. After 3 days, you grind the soaked grains. The soaked grains is the one that you will do what? Grind. After grinding the soaked grains, you do what? You sieve it to get your pap. Children, in our next class, we shall continue still on the same station, then of knowledge. Bye.